Hello guys, today we're actually going to go through how to make separate audio tracks for Streamlabs OBS. Now don't take me as a professional on this because I still have no idea what I'm doing with a lot of these things. This I found out from some other video and I thought it would be good to simplify it a little bit further. So here I go. First thing you need to do is you need to open advanced audio settings for this. This is my streaming setups I have here without this display capture, of course. So what you need to do is you need to make sure everything is on their own single track, and then your streaming one needs to be on your one whole track themselves. Now after that we go to over here to settings, then we go to output. Now of course I can't change anything because I'm streaming right now, but recording, sorry. You have to make sure your streaming itself is set to audio 5 because that is what you set to all of your streaming. It could be any number, whatever you set it at. Then you need to go over to recording here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 that I have that are separate tracks. If we go back to here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is all my streaming ones. So I made a little test, and I will show you going over to Adobe Premiere here. This is my test that I brought in over. So you can see here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks. Right here is of course my audio that I was speaking, and right here is actually the music audio that I had running right over here. So that is the most simple way that you can do separate audio tracks for recording. I don't think it really works for streaming unless you're recording and streaming at the same time, so it's only for recording, of course. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you leave a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'm going to try to do some of these other videos, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm no professional on any of this stuff, but yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.